Hey everyone, this is Katie McRae from Mindful Creativity Studio, and I'm happy to announce that because so many people were interested in taking this CEU that I'm presenting, Mindful Creativity for CBT and DBT skills, my friend Abby Lipschutz has offered to host it at her practice in Madison, which is great because she's got a lot more space, so we won't have to limit it. It's going to be November 12th, and you should sign up because I'm not going to be offering it very much, maybe a couple more times at my house, so space is very limited. And when I do offer it again, it'll probably be online and it'll be a lot more expensive. So you also won't be getting CEUs. So this is a really good deal. Some of the things that we're going to be doing, we're going to be learning how to do specific activities. There's going to be an experiential activity. We're also going to learn how to do things like I have some borax here because I've been making slime. So I have a client who is really fascinated with slime and all the different ways you can make it. And you can actually make slime into a DBT learning tool. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Anybody who's been in a CEU with me, I can make even HIPAA interesting. So imagine how much more fun this is going to be. And it's not just fun, it's educational. So you are going to learn a lot. You're going to learn about the neuroscience of creativity. You're going to learn about the flow state and how you can use some of these things to stop rumination. I might even throw an extra special bonus about sleep beyond just not drinking coffee. So I hope to see you guys there, and there's going to be a link below that you can click on to sign up. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.